In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to securely hold, send, receive, and exchange a wide variety of cryptocurrencies right from their mobile device. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and let's get started. First, begin by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you've launched it, you'll notice the various features Trust Wallet offers. You'll see options like send, swap, fund, and sell. These features are handy for managing your cryptocurrencies, but today our focus is on activating XRP, which is a type of digital asset that requires a specific setup process. Now, if you glance around the interface, you will notice a section showcasing different tokens. To find XRP, the next step is to go up to the search icon. Simply click on that search icon and type XRP. Once XRP appears in the results, go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll encounter a critical step. As you click on XRP, you'll see an option to enable it within your wallet. Just press that option, which ensures that XRP becomes visible and usable in your Trust Wallet. With XRP enabled, click on it again to proceed. Here's an important note. You'll notice a message that states, "The XRP network requires a one-time fee of 1 XRP for account activation. Trust Wallet gains no benefit." This is a standard requirement from the XRP network itself to activate your account, so let's walk through how you can complete this process. To activate your XRP account, you'll need to make a payment. Click on the Buy button. You'll be prompted to select the amount you want to spend on XRP. You have the flexibility to choose how much you wish to purchase based on your needs or budget. With the amount decided, it's time to select your payment method and network. The app will guide you to enter your details, including your card information, to facilitate this purchase. Make sure you follow the prompts on your screen, as they will direct you through entering all the necessary details accurately. Once you've filled in your information and completed the transaction, you should have activated your XRP account successfully. This activation allows you to start using XRP within your Trust Wallet for sending, purchasing, or any transactions you wish to conduct. That wraps up today's tutorial on activating XRP in Trust Wallet. Following these steps should have you up and running with XRP in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency guides.